Python is a general-purpose programming language. Python was conceived by Van Rossum and released in 1991. Due to its simplicity, it became popular among programmers. Python is compatible in many operating system platforms like Windows and Unix. Python coding can be done using many editors even with Notepad, but it is always better use an IDE or integrated development environment. IDE helps the programmer to develop code, correct errors or debug, and execute or run the code. We have selected Spider IDE. Some reference books can be Teach Your Children to Code by Bryson Payne, Python Programming for Kids by Simon Weber, Python for Kids by Jason Briggs, and many online excellent tutorials and sites are available. We shall discuss videos at beginner's level on Let's Catch the Snake with a Spider Web installation. Snake can do mathematics, else we shall teach him. We have to use good strings to tame the snake further. Wow, lists are useful tools. We can loop the snake to make decisions. We can do operations with snake. More loops to run the snake indefinitely. Hey, snake is tamed, he will handle files. Yes, now Python is a fully functional snake. So let us start Python coding. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to catch the big snake Python. You know, when we are aiming for a big snake, we should aim for the largest one, the anaconda. Anaconda is one of the popular Python distribution platform. So how will we catch the anaconda? Any guess? You may not have expected this answer. We are going to use a spider web. How will we get one? Simple, we search it in Google. I am going to type spider editor for Python. You will get a link like this which says Home Spider IDE. Click on that. Great, you have seen the big snake caught on the spider web here. Now we will get that snake. Scroll down. Here you can see a link which says Download Spider with Anaconda. Click on that. Now you have reached the Anaconda page. You can directly go there too, but I wanted you to get introduced through the spider web. Now scroll down till the end of the page. Here you can see Anaconda installers. Now my system is a Windows 64-bit system, so I will download Python version 3.8 64-bit graphical installer 466 MB. Now, if you want to know if yours is a 64-bit or a 32-bit processor, you can ask elders or you can go here and type about your PC. Click on that. And here system type, you can see it's a 64-bit operating system. Now I'm going to download this. Save file. Here you can see that it is getting downloaded. Once it is fully downloaded, go to this PC, Downloads folder. Here you can see Anaconda 3. Click on that. Here I am clicking next. And you have to click I agree if you accept to the terms of agreement. Now install for just me. Next. Here is the destination folder. Next. And install. Guys, this is how it will look after the installation is complete. Now I'm clicking next, and here I'm clicking finish. Here I'm going to type spider. You can see that spider has come. I'm clicking. It's loading now. Let's wait for some time. See, spider is loading now. After loading, this window will come. The left hand space where you type the code is also known as Spider Editor window. In the right hand side, we have the console area, aka the program execution window, where the results will come. In the top, you have the ribbon with some operations like new file, open an existing file, run, etc. Now we are going to make our very first program. So print bracket inverted comma. You can see here this is known as the grammar or syntax of Python. Now here I'm writing hello everyone and welcome to Python. Now let's run this. Here you can see the results in the control area. In the next episode, we will discuss mathematical operations. Bye for now.